Oh God, what's happening to me? Those were the terrifying last words my wife spoke just before I found her, slumped over in the corner of our bathtub. She was just 41 years old, in the prime of her life with everything to live for. Her scream echoed in the hallway, and then there was a deathly silence. What happened next is very personal and painful for me to tell, yet it led to a doctor from a faraway country and the discovery of an Eastern medicine protocol so powerful it would save my 41-year-old wife from a lifetime of dangerous drugs and the constant threat of type 2 diabetes and cancer, while causing her to suddenly drop 34 pounds of deadly belly fat, leaving our family doctor stunned and amazed.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content, if you are interested.
It's true, 34 pounds of pure belly fat going from this to this, while simultaneously reversing the symptoms of hormone imbalance that had ravaged her body, leading to hair loss, low sex drive, insomnia, low energy, and relentless weight gain, especially around her belly. And that's not all. Janet's friend Tim followed the exact same protocol, and he lost a whopping 103 pounds of stubborn belly fat in just over 3 months, going from this to this, while restoring his testosterone, reversing the painful symptoms of arthritis, and permanently eliminating all frustration he had about his weight. The reason you haven't heard about this is simple. It's not a drug or a pill. It's not a new type of diet. And it's not a new workout. It's a brand new, all-natural, fast-acting, organic protocol, making it impossible for greedy drug companies to patent and profit from. This simple, all-natural Eastern medicine protocol takes just minutes to do and delivers a total body transformation with results you can see and feel in just one single day. It protects against heart attacks and type 2 diabetes while reversing and erasing any sign of weight or age-related health issues, helping you lose as much as 100 pounds of stubborn fat while restoring your energy, vitality, and even your sex drive. This is shocking to hear. However, in the next 3 minutes, you're also going to discover the 5 hidden signs that will immediately tell you if you have a hormone balance issue, especially if you are carrying more than 5 or 10 pounds of stubborn body fat. Any one of these little-known signs could be a warning of something more serious, so stay with my story until the end, so you can find out what these signs are and what you must do if you have one. Before discovering this new breakthrough, my wife Janet had no idea how a surprisingly simple exercise that takes less than 3 minutes and performed in your bed can help reset hormones and melt away pounds of stubborn belly fat, and could have saved her from the pain and suffering she endured. I will show exactly how you can perform this powerful exercise in just a minute, so you can do it tonight before you go to sleep. I must urge you to take immediate action, because you're about to discover how a broken hormone signal missed by modern medicine is causing you to gain pounds and inches of stubborn fat while putting you at risk for sudden heart attack, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes, and how you can reverse and repair this hidden hormonal defect without drugs, restrictive diets, or strenuous exercise. Janet had been struggling with her belly fat and other symptoms for months, despite having tried prescription drugs, exercise classes, workout gadgets, and every diet known to man. Yet it was a horrifying moment in the shower that led her to discover a brilliant Eastern medicine doctor whose unusual advice would uncover the truth and change her life forever. This shockingly effective, fast and simple protocol will have you looking and feeling literally decades younger, and can be done in the comfort of your own home without the use of drugs or prescriptions of any kind. Best of all, this will work for you and any woman or man over the age of 35 who is concerned about aging hormones, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and declining energy levels, and absolutely must lose those stubborn pounds of dangerous fat gathering around your belly, hips, lower back, or thighs. And I promise you this, if you pay careful attention in the next few minutes, learn this 3-minute protocol, and do exactly what I say, you will quickly reset your hormones, shrink your stubborn fat cells, boost your metabolism, reduce your risk of deadly disease, and turn back your aging clock without exercise or even willpower. This never-before-seen 3-minute hormone protocol can easily be performed by anyone of any age. This does not require you to starve yourself or go days without food or your favorite treats. You won't need to perform any strenuous workouts either. All by using this powerful scientific discovery to do one simple protocol that resets your hormones, causing fat cells to open up and shrink almost instantly. Best of all, this inexpensive, all-natural, organic 3-minute protocol will work for you and any woman or man over the age of 40 who suffers from stubborn fat and must lose 10, 20, 30, even 50 pounds or more. In fact, this protocol works even better for women and men who are over age 40 due to the specific hormonal changes that are happening in your body right now.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,